More often than not, you fail an interview not because you lacked a particular skill set, but because you could not answer your questions in a structured way. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel Career Cocktail. And today we are going to talk about one very powerful technique which will leave that lasting impact on your interview. So, this technique is litany technique, wherein whenever you are asked a question, especially an HR non-technical round question, you answer the question in a structured way. It is a 3-point rule, wherein all your answers would be in 3 to 5 points. So how do you go about it? You announce the answer first, the number of points that you want to make first, and then go about it. For example, your question is, what are your strengths? So you say, I have my strengths in 3 different areas. Number one, I'm an excellent communicator. Number two, I'm a pro at stakeholder management. And number three, I love taking part in different business decisions, and I have been very successful in X and Y. So that's how you make it. You have that interest continuously from the interviewer. He knows that you are going to make 1, 2, 3 points, and he keeps waiting for that. So that's listening technique for you. Let me know how you like it, and would you be using that, or do you already use that in your interviews?
For more such tips, subscribe to my channel Career Cocktail.